In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Facebook on your laptop or PC. Basically, there is two different ways to install Facebook. The first way, click on your Windows Start menu and then search Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store search bar, search Facebook. In the left hand side, here you see the Facebook application. Click on that. To download and install Facebook on your laptop, click on Get. Facebook will automatically download and install on your laptop or PC. Please wait a moment to download and install. Please wait a moment to download and install Facebook on your computer. Once installed done, click on open. Now log in your Facebook account, then you can easily use Facebook on laptop. Another way is open Google Chrome internet browser and go to facebook.com. Go to facebook.com and log in your account. At the top right corner, click on three dot icon and then you will see cast, save and share option. Click on that and then you will see install Facebook. Click on that. Then click on install. Now you can use Facebook as a Facebook application. You can pin this application on your taskbar as well. That's how you can install Facebook on your laptop or PC. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this one. See you in the next video.